Thanks for watching my simple, silent 8-minute overland in the Sonoran Desert of Arizona. But I need to break my silence for a bit to introduce you to my latest cringeworthy, noteworthy upgrade. In the time that I've had my Jeep, and even in the time since I've been doing YouTube, I've upgraded a lot of lights. There it is, me and my new third brake light. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a good-looking tail light. I use it to help locate campsites at night or to re-find my camp if I've left during the day and I'm coming back in the dark. What the? Yeah, I've got plenty of lights, but the final light that I wanted to upgrade was my fog lights. Rather than going with an all-in-one replacement that comes with the lens and the housing, I decided to replace just the bulbs with these ultra-bright LED bulbs from Nilight. I also bought this CAN bus decoder, which is supposed to resolve flickering issues which may occur when you switch from halogen to LED. This is what the LED fog light bulb looks like. 2 tiny LEDs on one end, then an enormous heatsink on the other. Since the heatsink takes up the space where the socket normally is, the electrical connection has been relocated to the end of this cable. Removing the old bulb is easy. Go behind the fog light and disconnect the wiring harness by squeezing the tab and pulling. Then remove the old bulb by squeezing its 2 tabs. This is what the new bulb and the old bulb look like side by side. I think we're both asking the same thing here. Why did they make the old fog light bulbs beige? Putting in your new LED bulb is just as easy. Line up the tabs and push the bulb in place until it clicks. Then take the Jeep's wiring harness and plug it into the bulb's connector until it clicks. Let's turn on an old bulb and a new bulb at the same time to see how they compare. Oh man, even in broad daylight you can tell that the LED bulb is much brighter and much whiter than the halogen bulb. But the ultimate test is, of course, nighttime. Just look at the difference. Okay, I'm convinced. Let's swap out the other bulb and go for a short drive. On video, it appears that my new fog lights are even brighter than my headlights, so you might want to limit using these to just out on the trail or on truly foggy days, or you might irritate some oncoming motorists. In real-world use, it doesn't seem like there's any noticeable flicker, so as it turns out, I didn't need this CAN bus decoder. I'll just save it for a future installation where I might need it. Well, let me know what you think. If you're interested in looking into these bulbs, check the link in the description. Until then, stay cool and stay silent. Shh, 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 shh.